Restrictions on travel mean that now, more than ever, British Columbians are exploring this province. If seeing what is in our own backyard has you thinking about making a vacation location permanent, here's what you need to know about financing secondary properties.
It's very essential to be pre-approved. I mean, it's huge for many reasons, but with all the factors and calculations that go into purchasing a home, the down payment, the income, the credit score, the closing costs, the personal profile of the borrower, shopping without a pre-approval to understand those specific factors will lead to disappointment.
Your pre-approval amount will depend on the same things as your primary residence mortgage, like job and other debt.
Most Canadians have car loans, lines of credit, and credit cards. And with every $480 a month payment outside of their mortgage, that takes away $100,000 in mortgage qualification. With the recent worldwide pandemic, some people have had interruptions to their employment. And with interruptions to employment, that will change the mortgage qualification process. Every lender that's available to Canadians through an independent mortgage professional has different lending criteria. And if there's been an interruption, that might stop the period in which the lender can look back and feel comfortable using an average of that income.
When you are looking at properties, where and what you are buying matters to the bank.
Well, lenders consider traditional property, residentially zoned, highly marketable, sellable within 30 days, and everything fits kind of within a certain box. Now, when we're looking at some properties that have leased land, different zoning, water or sewer that's not municipal, not year-round access, different electrical, handyman special, co-op, commercially zoned, manufactured, those are all not what the lenders consider to be traditional marketable properties. Generally, what you're doing is you're actually looking at what equity you have in your principal residence and using that equity to purchase that property either out in its entirety or putting a significant down payment on.
These four factors can make or break vacation property dreams. Caitlin Herbst, Open House.